What's up guys, Azim here. So we saw Galaxy S20 Ultra in this month officially launched and shipped into a lot of countries. No doubt that is the best camera smartphone, but not the top of list, because on the top we have Xiaomi's Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro with highest DxO mark scores that were also launched in this month. And the DxO mark score is 124 for the Mi 10 Pro. That is the highest among all smartphone cameras, but Samsung's S20 series has also performed very well with their biggest megapixels 108 megapixel sensor. I have watched a lot of camera reviews video of Galaxy S20 Ultra and I realized that camera is absolutely amazing. We are getting 8K video support, so we are now done with the S20 series and now it's time for Huawei. Huawei is going to launch its P40 series in March the next month, and everyone is thinking that how Huawei is gonna answer Samsung. Well, it is the most anticipated question, and according to some sources, Huawei will be using a 52 megapixel sensor from Sony, that is IMX700, and it is really most powerful sensor that will be competing almost to some ranges of DSLRs, like cheap DSLRs, and it is almost half of what we are getting in S20 Ultra from Samsung. But the pixel size in IMX700 is way much larger than the S20 Ultra's 108 megapixel sensor, and it is going to be 1 by 1.33, and Huawei is going to use 16:1 binning technology, which will be producing pixel size of 4.48 microns, and S20 Ultra is using 9:1 binning technology with pixel size of 2.4 microns. And absolutely here we have the highest microns in Huawei P40 series, so we will be having the better low light performance in Huawei P40 Pro. Absolutely. Huawei is also expected to come with best zooming range lenses. We have seen 5x optical zoom lens in S20 Ultra with 48 megapixel sensor and is providing us 10 times hybrid zoom, but that's not pure form of zoom, it's mixture of telephoto and opticals. Also, Samsung is providing us 100 times digital zoom, and Huawei is expected to use 10 times true zoom camera lens with higher quality as compared to S20 Ultra hybrid zoom. And these are all just rumors, not officially described. We will see official specs in next month when Huawei is gonna launch the P40 series officially. And now the second news is coming regarding a new application store. Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo and Vivo has planned to challenge Google by making their own application app like Google Play Store that will contain a lot of thousands and hundreds of thousands of apps, and it is going to be an alternative of Google Play Store. This will be different, obviously name will be different, that has not came up yet now, so it will allow developers to upload their apps on single platform, and it is really a serious challenge to Google Play Store. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for future tech news and reviews, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.